Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. Hello and welcome to Katrina's Creations. My Lion brand yarn order came in, so let's talk about what I got. I am missing one skein of yarn. They sent me 8 instead of 9, but I've got a notice into them, so I'm waiting to hear back. So I'm sure it'll be no problem. So let's get started with what I got. This was a sale that was, you could get 3 skeins of Wool Ease hand-dyed yarn for $10. So I bought 9 skeins of yarn, because one does things like that when they're 3 for $10. So let's get started. My first one, and this is the one that I'm missing the 3rd skein of. Here is what the label looks like. Woolies hand dyed. It is a 100-gram skein. There are 3.5 ounces in each skein and 146 yards, which is 134 meters. This is a worsted weight. And it's 80% acrylic, 20% wool. So that's what the labels look like. And this color is called Mint Julep. And you can see it's got like a turquoise color here. And then it's got gray, and then it has a gold, and it has some little splotches of turquoise here. So I have 2 skeins, and this is the one that they forgot to send a 3rd. So I have a 3rd skein of this coming. So that is Mint Julep. And then the next 2, I bought 2 of everything and I bought 3 of the one, just so I would have enough yarn. I would have a little bit more to do because 146 yards doesn't go very far. So this one is called Cotton Candy. And you can see why it looks like cotton candy. It's got pink and gray and turquoise and a darker gray right here. And then this is purple right here. It's looking blue. It has blue, kind of this kind of tealy color or turquoisey color kind of blends into a blue. And then right here, that's purple. So I have 2 of that. And this whole section here, this is all purple. You can see it a little bit better there. Yeah. So we have 2 skeins of that. That's Cotton Candy. And then I have 2 skeins of Key Lime Pie, and it's a kind of a violet color here, and like a highlighter yellow, and again the gray, and then it has like a little pop of orange right there. Not really orange, I guess it's kind of a peachy kind of color right here. So I have 2 skeins of that. And then I think this one's my favorite. I wish I would have gotten 3 skeins of this one instead of the Mint Julep. This one is called Tie Dye, again for obvious reasons, but I like the vibrant colors in this. I really like the reds. It has different shades of red here. This is kind of a magenta red, you can see it. And then it's got gold and like a deeper goldy orange. And then it has a little pop of teal in here and a purple over here. So this is probably my favorite, so I kind of wish that I could have had 3 of this instead of the Mint Julep. So anyway, there it is. I have no clue what I'm going to be making with these. I just wanted to check it out. I had never bought any of their hand-dyed before, so I wanted to see kind of what it was like. So again, I have no idea what I'm going to make because 2 skeins together would be, let me think, 146. So 2 skeins together is 292 yards. So yeah, not sure what I'm going to make with that amount. But you know, I could make fuzzy little socks for me. I'm not sure. I don't know what I'm going to make with them. But like I said, this one's my favorite. So yeah. So anyway, there we go. So that was Lion Brand, and make sure you check out every Saturday. I announce whatever sales I happen to have going on at the time or during the week. When I find out different sales that are going on, I try to pass those on to you, but this was a really good one. So anyway, that's what I got. Don't forget to check out my video tomorrow, which will be how to make a granny square. That will be Wednesday. Thursday, I have a vlog of what's going on around here during the week. And I believe Friday, I should be getting a knit crate, so there should be a knit crate unboxing coming in this week as well. So yeah, lots of things to be checking out this week. And then of course Saturday, my regular video. So you're going to see me a lot this week. So yeah, be watching for those videos, and I'll see you all later.